Okay, so my sister gave me some of these every flavored beans.
Harry Potter.
Shut up. Okay, and then like they like all taste horrible. So like I'm gonna eat like this, and it's soap. One sec. My mom's telling me to do homework. Okay. That tastes okay after that earthworm, I think. Not that bad.
It's like dirt.
They all taste sweet. There's
That
this.
really smells like dirt.
I think that's cherry. Like everything. This I believe is blueberry or another soap or something.
Black pepper.
Oh, black pepper. Was green apple. Okay, so I have one more. Have one more.
Let's see. Which one? Here you go.
Okay, so this is
Booger.
booger.
And I'm gonna eat a banana.
This is
What
just-
is that?
Ow! You kicked me in the eye, you ass. I'm okay.
That banana's gross.
Booger tastes nothing like booger.